This is an internet account file. It was used to export email account settings, password server port from Outlook 2003. Modern Outlook doesn't support it directly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the workaround. I call this the last resort solution for those IAF files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. An IAF file stores settings for an Outlook account. It contains information such as server addresses, usernames, passwords, and other configuration details necessary to connect to an email server. These files are used to quickly configure Outlook with the correct settings, especially when setting up multiple accounts or transferring settings between computers. The IAF file is a structured text file, often using a specific format that Outlook can interpret. It's crucial to handle these files with care, as incorrect modifications can prevent Outlook from connecting to the email server. The file is typically created and managed by Outlook's account setup wizard. The official utility recommended for the IAF file is Microsoft Outlook by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows typically shows only basic attributes, so full access requires dedicated email tools. Your essential first move is the file association test. Right-click the IAF file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Outlook is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few. If you still cannot open your IAF file, that is okay. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, recognize the file type. Understand that the IAF file is an Internet account settings file used by Outlook Express and cannot be opened manually. Next, use Outlook Express. Open Outlook Express. Go to Tools. Accounts. Import to import the settings from the .iaf file. Finally, open as text. Open the IAF file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the plain text configuration settings. When every program on your system rejects your IAF file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this. We solved that issue quickly.